Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when your EDIFIER D32 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset, but also we can go to EDIFIER CONNECT application and right here go to the settings and check if you have a new update. If you haven't, it's okay, I haven't also. We need to go to multi-point connection and disable this mode, because with dual connection you may have connection instability. Now, if you disable it, also you can, it's only for Android devices, so you can disable LDAC. Right here in the settings, at the second line, I have iOS, I have in it, you will have HD audio. You tap at this line and click disable DAC. This will be a third line. After that, we need to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to turn off your speaker by pressing hold power button, or you can do the same in the application. Right here we have power off. You just tap here and confirm, or just press and hold power button, it's up to you. Then go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices. And right here you can check that it's disconnected. Then you press and hold power button, we just turn on it, and your speaker will reconnect with your phone. So we should also see it at the device list. If you have iOS, you will see information connected. If you have Android, it will return from saved devices to my devices. If the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. A factory reset we can perform only in the application. So we need to find a timing to use the application and go to the settings. At the bottom we have factory settings, tap at this line, then at the slider and confirm. Then we need to reconnect the speaker with the phone, so go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, but if you haven't this button, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or on iOS 26 right now it doesn't work, so you need to turn off and turn on your Bluetooth. But maybe they will fix it in the future, I don't know. Then tap at your speaker at the device list, because after factory reset this speaker enters to pairing mode automatically. So you will see it. And if it didn't help you, we can reset Bluetooth settings, but once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. First, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, go to the settings, then to the general, and at the bottom in the general we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then reset, and reset network settings. Because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside this network settings, so we can reset it in this way. Then write your password and click reset network settings again. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open settings, and then you need to go to the system. So scroll down, system, right here, at least on stock Android. At the bottom we have reset options, tap at this line and select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click reset. And again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!